paano yung iba dyan, tinatamad, tapos may iba pa dyan, siga-siga.
I can't rain
Ay, naku. Kung alam mo lang. Quit na ako.
without you, without you.
Ayoko na rin. Ayaw na ni Camille eh.
I will never.
Hindi nga namin nakalain, sa barkada kami eh.
Eh paano ba naman may slow, pa-VIP, Warfreak, meron ding klepto, romantiko at OC?
Lahat kami may kanya-kanyang mundo, kanya-kanyang pagkatao. May kinahiinisan, meron din naman kinututuan sa barkada. Ang importante sa lahat.
Ano ba yan?
Naman yan! Julin naman eh.
Julin naman eh.
Sorry!
Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas kamay with confidence.
Grabe na po. Ate, excuse me po, hindi mo nakita yung allowance ko. SS7
Cute na makatabi. May bagong kaibigan tapos ang class.
class. Ate, excuse me po. Ito ba yung daddy kasi po? Sabi ko kanina po, kasi na lang niya ako. Sige po ate. Wait lang. Dapat sinunod na ako ng driver natin. Opo. Ito po ba yung ingay? Dad, wait lang po. Ang ingay po kasi nakatabi ko. Ay, sorry ate. Sige na lang magtatanong. Ate, excuse me po, may ginagawa ka po? Wala, bakit?
Nasasabik sa unang
Tatanungin po, ito po ba yung SS70 class? Yes, SS70. Psychic Culture Family Life. Okay na po.
hiling. Magkakasundo sa trip. Kung gusto mong sumama, welcome to my birthday high. Taas na huwag kang mag-alala. Tiwala sa sarili, huwag kang napahiya. Kumaway, huwag kalimutang ngumiti. Sigurado sa iyo na may babago. Lakas loob, hanapin ng katropa. Itaas ang kamay, let's do the birthday high. Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the birthday high. Umaabog sa talino, tumayaman si Papa. Pag mahilig ka sa sports, kung cool ka na stick, pag solid sa pag-iwan, itaas ang kamay, let's do the birthday high.
Ano?
Birthday high! Nasasabik sa
Ano, sanitizer, nawawala nga sanitizer ko eh. Ano, manghihirap ka pa? Manghihirap ka pa? Wala nga sanitizer eh, hinakaw nga yun, sinuntakaw eh. Alam mo, naghiraman ako.
kung gusto mong sumama, welcome to my birthday high!
Okay natin kanina, muntik na tuloy akong mali. Traffic pa naman. Grabe ah. Tapos napagalitan ka pa ni Daddy. Sinumbong na kita. Hindi nga pala. Oo. Mabawasan niya na yung sweldo mo.
Taas kamay with confidence. Let's do the birthday high! Iba't iba ang hilig, magkakasundo sa trip. Kung gusto mong sumama.
Good morning, I am Professor Hero P. Ostale. You can call me Mr. Sir. I will be your instructor for this term in SS17. I hope everything will be okay because this is my first time teaching social science. And by the way, before we discuss about our lessons, I will be giving you a short project that needs your patience and hard work. This will also test your teamwork and cooperation, and as well getting to know each other. This project will be 50% of your first long exam and will be passed after 2 weeks. Now for the groupings, Bola, Genera, Ignacio, Percano, Patron, and Yatko. We will be the group 1. Bulito, Martinez,
Ay, hindi Ignacio. Ay, hindi Ignacio.
Ito, papa!
Hindi, siya si Yatko.
Siyawan pa natin yan.
Dito may Martinez. Ikaw, patron.
Ignacio.
Hindi, Inera. Bola.
Bola.
Bola, Yatko.
Yatko.
Perkan, Yatko pala yan.
Hindi ako. Ay, Percano.
Boy
dedicated to the one I love. Yeah. Still love the way he talks, still love the way I sing, still love the way he rockin' black diamonds in that chain. Still love the furniture, but ain't a damn thing changed. My girls can tell me nothing, I'm gone in the brain. I'm all up under him like it's cold winter time. All up in the kitchen in my heels, dinner time. Do whatever that it takes, he gotta win his mind. Give it all to him and meet him at the finish line.
Saan dokumentary ko yun?
Grabe, first day pa lang, bakbaka na ng utak. Ano yung documentary?
Dato, babagsak ka niyan eh.
Bakit?
Oo nga, sino nang pinatititer?
Ikaw na lang?
Oo nga, ikaw na lang ate.
Ikaw, sino leader mo? Ako? Sige na nga, sabi ko lang.
Ikaw ate, sino sa'yo?
Sorry. Ulit. Sino daw leader mo? Ako siya ang pinili ko. Ikaw sino leader mo? Para saan? Uy, para saan daw? Uy. Sa project. Sige na nga. Siya na.
Oo nga.
Tama.
Tama.
Ayan guys magkakagalan na tayo. So Friday Bye.
Nak tayo ah.
Sir muna.
Sorry na baby, may topic natin sa to.
Pwedeng family planning, abortion, murder, serial killers, o kaya holdupper. Bakit? Ang saya kaya nun.
Huwag ganun, mamaya tayo papatayin nun eh.
Gusto mo, Camille? Love life, battle love, first love,
Bakit
true
yun?
love.
Baby teens!
Yun, hug mo ako, hug mo ako.
Gusto niyong culture na ng mga taga-Malayan? Suggestion lang naman.
Korean culture.
Tama, yun na lang! So, ganitong gagawin natin. Yung sa cameraman, dapat, yung ayusin nyo dapat
Bakit? Ano meron? Bakit urgent daw?
Hindi ko nga alam ano ba meron. Oh, di ba ang galing mo? Sige, basketball doon.
Sinabi sa akin ni
May liga dun sa amin eh. Sumali ka kaya. Pero, Oo, kailangan matataas eh.
Basta break na tayo.
Guys, naman! Guys, ano na, paano na yung doctor natin? Basta dapat bukas meron tayong shooting
May pupuntahan kasi kami eh, malayo daw.
Kami din eh, kaya di kami makaka-attend.
May practice kami ng sayo ng MDC eh. Sorry ah.
Oo. Si Eleanor, tsaka si Lacey.
O ikaw, ano rason mo?
Wala naman akong gagawin.
Gutom na ako. Tara, kain tayo.
Tara?
Cellphone ko ba to?
Hindi! Yung cellphone yan!
Pambawag na ako.
Come fill my glass up a little more. We're about to get up and burn this floor. You know we getting hotter and hotter, sexy and hotter and shut it down.
Ano gano'ng karami kumakain sa kutsara na yan? Kadiri kaya. Hindi ba nagyan mo?
Wala nang lasa doon.
Let's go. Make no excuses now. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Your time is running out. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you've done. It's about what you're doing. It's all about where you're going.
Grabis kami, no?
Grabe yun, kala mo kung sino.
Si Julie naman, lagi may katawag. Minsan nga lang, curious ako kasi laging katawag nun eh.
Baka boyfriend niya.
Actually, secretary ng daddy ko. Na-update ako sa mga nangyayari sa factory namin.
Baka nga. Si Eric, napapansin mo na may gusto kay kami.
Stop it Ew!
Grabe.
Si Melvin naman, napaka-arte sa katawan.
Tawag dun eh.
Ano nga ba yun? OCD.
Anong ODC? OCD. Obsession to ba? Yun pala yung ODC. OCD nga. Kaya nga.
Eh si Donna, may pagka...
Slow!
Hindi naman kasi ako talaga mas-tibay, kaya nahihirapan ng mga relationships.
Eh si Danica,
Parang wala lang. Parang mahirap maging ka-close yun, te. Kasi naman, ang daming alam.
tama, may point ka dyan.
Hindi eh. May something eh.
Paano mo naman nasabi?
Feeling ko siya talaga kumuha ng panyo kanina eh. Siya lang naman katabi ko kanina, nung nagkaklase tayo. Baka may crush kayo. Grabe, agad-agad.
Sila. Baka malala sa sila.
Oh yeah, they tell me I'm a bad boy. All the ladies
Ano mo na nga? Tagal.
Actually na lang. Hawak-hawak ko. Lagi ako forward.
Ay, wait lang. Cellphone ko.
Hello? Hello, nasaan na kayo?
Nakakanta. Ito na, naglalakad na kami.
Ang tagal naman. Ano ba naman yan?
Cellphone, nagagyan. Oo, malapit na.
Bye-bye. Bilisan niyo ah.
Bye-bye.
Hindi pa tayo magsalita.
Oh, mga late kayo. Oh.
Grabe, nakakapagod tumakbo. Kami na lang muna yung magpapatakbo lang na.
Yung camera, yung camera.
Yes, pwede naman magdakaan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Diba? Tara.
Look at her go on the dance floor. She's amazing on the dance floor. When she moves, girl, I want more. Keep it going, girl, like I gotta know, girl. You got me saying, little bad girl, 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 little bad. Oh yeah, they tell me I'm a bad boy. All the ladies look at me and act coy. I just like to put my hands up in the air. I want bad girl dancing on the floor, shaking her ass from the left to the right, moving it around just the way that I like. I wanna see it move like a movie on flight. She got it how I want it, and I want it all night. Look at her go on the dance floor. She's amazing on the dance floor.
Tapos baka ito meron pa rin.
Huwag na, may isang tayo.
Ako, okay lang.
Ako maglilipid ako.
Ha?
Maglilipid ako. Oo, tama yan.
Kaya
Oo, sama na lang ako sa kanya.
Sumama ka na. Dito ka na.
Sige na, sige na. Oh my God!
Kahatid na lang to.
Eh kaso, kasama ako pag ano. Pag ito. Oo, ikaw. Pag hindi ka na nag-alcohol, saka si Celine, huwag naman yung sadak niya siya tawag.
Ang hirap yan, hindi pwede mag-alcohol.
Oo, bawal!
Isang araw lang naman.
Ah,
Tara.
let's go.
Ako uwi na ako. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm giving up slowly. I'm blending in so you won't even know me. Apart from this world that shares my fate. This one last girl you mentioned, it's my one last shot of redemption. 'Cause I know to live you must give your life away. I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity. Now I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key. Now I've been dying to get out, and that might be the death of me. And even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm stuck inside this rut that I fell into by mistake. I gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. Giving up, I'm doing this alone now, 'cause I failed and I'm ready to be shown now. Told me the way and now I'm trying to get there. And this life sentence that I'm serving, I admit that I'm every bit deserving. But the beauty of grace is that it makes life not fair. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity. Now I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key. Now I've been dying to get out, and that might be the death of me. And even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. 'Cause I'm afraid that this complacency is something I can't shake. Yeah, I gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. I am a hostage to my own humanity, self-detained and forced to live in this mess I've made. And all I'm asking is for you to do what you can with me, but I can't ask you to give what you already gave. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm stuck inside this rut that I fell into by mistake. I gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. I'm better, so much better now. I see the light, touch the light, we're together now. I'm better, so much better now. Look to the skies, give me life, we're together now. We've only just begun, hypnotized by drums until forever comes. You'll find your trace in the sun. They said this day would come, we refuse to run. We've only just begun. You'll find this trace in the sun. You'll find this trace in the sun. You'll find this trace in the sun. Daylight's fading, we're gonna play in the dark till it's golden again. And now it feels so amazing, can see it coming and we'll never grow old again. You'll find this trace in the sun.
Guys, grabe, 5 days na lang.
Hindi siya.
Kumanda niyo yung tenga mo.
Guys! Dapat tayong one from Tokyo. 5 days na lang, submission na.
Eh, paano yung iba dyan? Tinatamad.
Hoy, ayusin mo yung pananalita mo, ha?
Bakit? Totoo naman ah.
Julie, dapat tapos na natin yan.
Eh, paano kasi? Kung sa consulting, saka naman tawag ng tawag. Tapos, may iba pa dyan. Siga-siga.
Ako ba tinutukoy mo? Malamang, leader ako, syempre dapat mag-stricto.
Ay naku, kung alam mo lang, quit na ako.
Yan! Alis na tayo!
Papasabi naman kay ma'am kung pwede mag-individual. Ayoko na. Samahan na ako.
Na din ako.
Eh kung gano'n naman pala ang usapan, ayoko na ba yun?
Ayaw ko na rin. Ayaw na ni Camille eh.
Life comes in many shades. You think you know what you got until it changes. And life will take you high and low. You gotta learn how to walk and then which way to go. Every choice you make when you are lost, every step you take has its cause. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes. And though it seems you're so millions, someday it's gonna make sense. Tears you shed are all the same. When you laugh till you cry, or broken down in pain. All the hours you have spent in the past, worrying about a thing that didn't last. Everything you saw played a part in everything you are in your heart. After you clear your eyes.
Sayang naman yung ballpen. Take ka ng ballpen.
Ako, okay na ako.
After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness.
Tara guys!
Jay, baka malaki yung kwarto mo ah.
Uy, hindi.
Baka mamaya maraming kalat yan ha.
Oo nga.
Hindi ako
Mga kayo, hindi ka
nalinis.
naglinis ha.
Oh my God.
pinakamalapit. Pero hindi siya yung, ito na yung pinakamalapit na gusto ng parents ko.
Mapuwan ninyo.
Kasi dito nag-aaral yung kuya ko.
Kasi malapit.
Na-feeling ko to kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na may math.
Napili ko MCL kasi yun nga, MCL may pangalan ng Mapuwa.
Hindi, MCL kasi sabi ng mga classmates ko maganda daw yung quality. MCL, maganda daw.
Bago siya, magagandang mga kagamitan. Ito first choice ko to kasi maganda naman. Tapos malapit ko sa bahay.
Ako bali hindi, kasi di ako nakapasa sa UP. So, hindi naman.
Second choice.
Planning. Them stretch marks on your hips is just bungee cords bringing you back when you dip. I read your lips, but can't stay literate. I ain't scared, not a little bit. Gotta let you know.
Oo. Kasi gawa sa mga friends ko, madami na rin po ako nakilala bukod sa course ko. And madami pa akong nakilala sa other courses.
Bakit? Civil engineering. Wala, kasi parang challenging din siya. Parang yun na lang din yung medyo may connection sa ECE.
Wala.
Wala naman. Gusto ko lang talaga yung program.
Si Julie! Si Julie, brainwash ako dito.
Brainwash? Paano yung brainwash?
Hindi, parang funny way lang.
Nagsabi sa'yo.
Nagsabi siya.
Na yun na lang yung program.
Wala. Ako pumili.
Actually, choice ko siya, pati choice siya ng mother at father.
Gusto ko lang talaga yung ID kasi nagsabi nila mo. Kaya,
Pose as a witness. Every word of body language you pronounce. Under the strobe lights, we can let go of it all. After midnight, partying until tomorrow. Whatever happens tonight, will stay right by my side. So let's enjoy the celebration.
Uy, nasaan yung project ha? Kakaman.
Parang mga puyat kayo. By the way, please pass your project.
Zero.
To tell you the truth, this project is not recorded. I know it was hard for you to finish the project in just a short period, but I am aware that you can finish it in time. This is just to test your patience and hard work. You learned to depend on your group mates and you had the chance to know and socialize with them. By the way, since this project is not recorded, your actual project is
Tonight, the child inside is wild. Let's make this moment come to life. The time is on our side. Don't know what's up ahead, it's only high and low. Picture it in your head, nothing's impossible.